Report. Morning, Heather. And Andy.
Good morning. Are we ready for the judge?
Yep.
All
Morning.
right, it'll be just a moment.
Good morning, Mr. Bitar. Your appearance for Stephen Spry, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Stephen Spry.
All right, and would you waive formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor. I've gone over the charges with Mr. Spry.
I'll enter not guilty plea for Mr. Spry. All right, looks like we've got a probable cause conference date of December 8th. Mr. Spry, is there an officer there with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Mr. Spry, the officer is going to give you a notice for the December 8th court date. Our case number is 210855. Sir, I've got your address on Oak Drive in Chandler. Is that a good address?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Phone number 515-1398.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Bitar, let's talk bond.
Judge, he does reside in Texas. He came to Michigan to meet up with a friend and retrieve some property that he uses for his employment. He's a tree cutter. He was with his wife at the time of this incident when he was arrested. His wife needs to get back to Texas as well, Judge. He has two kids, a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old. He does have that extradition warrant or warrant out of Texas on a drug charge. I'm asking you to consider a personal bond because even if you give him a personal bond on this case, Judge, I don't think he's going anywhere. He's still going to be incarcerated due to the felony drug warrant out of Texas.
Van Buren, can you confirm that?
Yes, he does. He does have a felony drug warrant out of Texas. Texas has stated that they will extradite him.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Spry, do you have a good email address that we can put on our file?
It's my first and last name, 1@gmail.com.
All right, so first name, last name, number 1@gmail.
Yes, sir.
Easy enough, thank you.
Judge, I'm sorry, but there's Ty Bickert in the waiting room, and he's a felony attorney usually. I don't know.
Let's see if maybe he's just in the wrong spot. Let's find out.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just want to make sure that it's not for the defendant.
Sure. I don't know how it would be, but let's find out.
I don't either. Good morning, Dan.
Morning. How are you?
All right, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Well, I guess we can just continue.
Yep.
All
Mr.
right.
Spry, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. Wish you luck with Texas. Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $5,000 if you violate bond? Your bond conditions are.
But I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No, I can't. The volume went down.
Officer, can you do anything about your volume on your end?
Taken care of, Your Honor.
How's this, Mr. Spry? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
There you go. All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. Condition number 1, cooperate with your attorney who will contact you before the December 8th date. Cooperate with that attorney so we can actually accomplish something on December 8th. Stay out of trouble. Those are your conditions. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $5,000 if you violate bond?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions for Mr. Bitar?
How long does Texas have to come get me? Because I was under the impression that they only had 72 hours to come get me, and it's almost 72 hours right now, I'm pretty sure.
Mr. Spry, as I explained to you, if the extradition paperwork has been provided by Texas, you will appear in front of a circuit court judge, and that circuit court judge will set a hearing date. If they do not pick you up by that date, then you will be released.
When am I going to know all this stuff? That's what I'm asking.
None of us can tell you when that exactly is going to happen, sir.
So, okay. Okay.
Anything else, Mr. Spry?
No.
Good luck.
Your Honor, what time is on the 8th? Is that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot to say that. 9:45. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge.
Talk to you later, Dan.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Here?
Yep, have a seat.
Mr. Bickert,
Yes, ma'am.
what case are you here on, please?
I'm here on Zarcoria Wells. It's up for competency review. And I do not believe that there was an evaluation conducted.
That would just be an internal review.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just scheduled for an internal review for me to contact the forensic center. They were supposed to do her paperwork because she was unable to appear that morning.
Exactly.
So they were supposed to contact her again, and I will be contacting them to find out more information.
Okay. And then if possible, can you update me? Because I've lost some time with Ms. Wells herself, but I don't know if it's just a phone issue right now. It's only been a couple of days. So
yep, that's fine. I will keep you updated.
thank you so much.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
well-
Have a good day.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Caitlin. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Caitlin.
Good morning, Jeff.
I'm bringing in Shantice Hall. Caitlin, what are you doing on these? You doing 6 months, 9 months, delayed sentence? What are you looking at?
9 months.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Hall. Are you connected? Good morning, Ms. Hall. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can now.
All right, Ms. Hall, I've got a file in front of me with your name on it. The incident date is October 15, 21. The charge is violation of parental responsibility. This is a misdemeanor charge that carries a possible penalty up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. The way these cases are working is the prosecutor in this matter, who is Ms. Foley Carter that you'll see on your Zoom screen, is offered a delayed sentence on this. So if you plead guilty to this charge, it would be taken under delayed sentence for 9 months. As long as we don't have any further attendance problems with your child or children, then at the end of 9 months, the matter would be dismissed. So it would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. You understand that offer from the prosecutor?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without
I'm
an
sorry,
attorney?
could you
Or would
hear
you
me?
like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know if you could hear me or not.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
Yes, I'm prepared to go forward without.
All right, did I give you enough information to make a decision?
Yes.
And what would you like to do, ma'am?
I would like to plead guilty.
All right, so looks like your child's name is Jace.
Yes.
All right, so tell me what was going on early in the fall that Jace was not making it to school on a regular basis. Paperwork I've got said he missed 16 days of school as of October 15th.
Okay, so he had been going and he was getting sick. So I was keeping him out due to illness. And so that's really been the main issue is when he goes, he does come back home sick, gets my baby sick. Everybody in the house just gets sick. So I'm also trying to sign him up for virtual. As of now, there's a waiting list. So I'm gonna have to wait. But I'm gonna take him into school regularly until I get him into virtual.
Okay. Miss Caitlin or Miss Foley Carter, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Hall, I'll
Yes.
accept your plea. As I said, I'm going to delay sentence for 9 months, no penalties, as long as things go well. And by that, I mean Jace is in school. There are no unexcused absences. Understood?
Okay.
All right. If you're having any problems with that and you need some help, I need you to contact the court. Talk to Christine Oswald, who is a juvenile probation officer. She's got a lot of resources that she can share with parents that might help you out.
Okay. What's her name again? I'm sorry.
Christine Oswald.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Caitlin,
I'm
I'm
gonna-
going to bring in Alina Watts. And Heather, let's bring the Galaxy in and find out who they are as well.
All right.
Good morning, Ms. Watts. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Ms. Watts, I've got a file in front of me. You're charged with the misdemeanor charge of violation of parental responsibility. That carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Give me just a minute. Galaxy A12, what's your name?
She's not connected to audio. I'm gonna chat for now.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Watts, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
Okay, so on this file, the prosecutor who's joining us on Zoom, Ms. Foley Carter, has made an offer. If you plead guilty to this charge, Ms. Foley Carter is recommending a 9-month delayed sentence. What that means is at the end of 9 months, as long as there have been no further problems, the charge would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. So in essence, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses, and your daughter, is it Stacia?
Stacia. Yes.
Stacia has no further attendance, unexcused absences, attendance problems. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney? Or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I'm not exactly sure. I've never did this before. I don't really know what I'm doing here.
All right, well, I can't tell you what to do. I can just tell you what your options are. If you'd like somebody to give you some advice, then maybe you should talk to Mr. Bowditch, who's the court-appointed attorney.
Yes, I like to do that.
Okay, we'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Bowditch.
Doing it right now.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Heather.
Good morning, Officer Zernick.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
I can.
All right. Can you see me now?
I can.
All
Just
right,
a minute,
good.
Jeff.
So everything's
Okay.
working.
Heather, while you're doing that, I'm gonna try to bring that Galaxy in again and see if she can connect.
Okay. Sorry, Jeff, I don't know how these rooms are set up. Let's hope this works.
Galaxy phone, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
All right, I can. What's your name?
Holly Iramo.
Let me rename you so we know who we are. All right, Mr. Ramo, I've got a file. The charge is violation of parental responsibility. It's from October 27, 21. That charge is a misdemeanor. It carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. You understand that?
I do.
All right. Ms. Foley Carter is the prosecutor for Huron Township. She's joined us on Zoom. She's made an offer on your file. If you plead guilty to that charge, it would be taken under a delayed sentence for 9 months. If it's, as long as 9 months from now, we've had no further attendance issues and you don't have any further criminal contact with the criminal justice system, then the matter would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Do you understand the offer that's been made?
I do understand that, but I feel that this is a misunderstanding and I have documentation.
Okay. Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to our court-appointed attorney?
To a court-appointed attorney.
Froze up a little bit. You'd like to speak to the attorney?
Yes.
He is currently in a breakout room with somebody else, so as soon as he's available, we'll put you in a breakout so you can have a conversation.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Phil. How's your audio today?
Hopefully better because I'm at work.
It is.
So I'm at the work computer. I mean, Judge Oakley's a little quiet, but I can pretty much hear him.
Okay, good.
Never been accused of that.
Me neither.
Hey, Heather, these reviews that are on the docket for 2 and 3, those are
So-
internal reviews?
Those are just Christine that she needs to put on the docket for it to show up. So yeah,
Is that the same
internal.
with the, is that the same with the 945 on Rose?
Nope, that is a true show cause. I just put it at that
Okay.
time because 9:30 was so packed.
No, that's fine.
again. Here's your convenience stop in real quick.
Hey, Heather, is there any way you could put me in a breakout room with just Judge Oakley or where I can just talk to him where nobody hears? I mean, I don't care if Miss Foley hears, but
Unfortunately, we can't because we could never get him back.
okay. No, that's fine.
Phil, you want me to just give you a call? I'll step out of the courtroom.
Yeah, I can call you. It's just, I'll call you because, I'm in the school, so my cell phone reception
That's fine.
stinks.
That's you got my phone number, right?
Yep, I'll call you.
Yep. Call me, I'll step out of the courtroom.
Okay.
Phil, I'm gonna mute you so that we don't hear the conversation.
No, I'm gonna mute myself too. Thanks.
Oh, okay, thanks. So Caitlin, I am gonna put on the schedule, January 10th for the morning for the next day for these. So I'll give Marlisa that date in case she has any.
Perfect.
So
Thank
that
you.
Monday, the Monday is a good day for you?
Yeah, it works well.
Okay, perfect. All right.
That makes sense because it's part of that whole, this thing gets out of whack. Still, maybe the security. Well, you can't do that from here. I'm trying to get out because it's pushing this thing. No, so you got to go out the other door. All right, Mr. Bowditch, are we ready on Watts?
Yes, Your Honor. For the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with.
Hold on. We don't have Miss Watts. She must be stuck in the breakout room.
Okay.
All right, we're getting her back now. All right, on behalf of Miss Watts, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Watts. Your Honor, Miss Watts wishes to take the mercy of the prosecutor and plead guilty to this charge. She also would like the court to know that the problem has been cured. The problem initially was transportation. Stacia now goes to Taylor High, in which a bus picks her up, and she's been attending regularly in Taylor.
Good. Okay. So Ms. Watts, according to the paperwork I've got, Stacia had missed at least 12 days of school that were unexcused at that point in time.
Yes.
And at that point in time being October 27th. Agreed? I can't hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, she hasn't missed any more days since then.
Okay. All right. But you agree that you missed 12 days then?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Bowditch, are you satisfied?
Oh, I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'll accept the guilty plea. I'll do a 9-month delayed sentence. As I said, Ms. Watts, no court costs. If there's any further problems and you contact us, we might be able to help you out with some resources. Stay out of trouble. Don't go on any crime sprees, and we should be good in 9 months.
Okay,
Questions?
no,
All right, you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you, Ms. Watts.
thank you,
Mr.
guys.
Bowditch, we're gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Aramo.
Thank you, Judge.
Jeff, is there an option for you to just rejoin?
Yes.
All right,
I
just
believe-
push it. Thank you.
No.
No?
No.
Well, alrighty then. Let's do that. Now, is there one? Yep.
No.
Trying to bring Miss Rhodes in, but
But,
not working.
uh-oh.
I clicked admit and I don't know where she went.
She must have left because now she's in there twice and I clicked for her to join. Let's see. On the Galaxy A52.
Hello,
Hello, what's your
Hello.
name? What's your name, please, on the Galaxy?
Robert Radke.
Thank you.
No problem.
Good morning, Miss Rose. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning. I've got a file that goes back to January 15, 2021. Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
Yes.
Miss Foley Carter, can you tell me what the show cause was for?
Yes, Your Honor, it looks like as of 10/29 of this year, the child Summer Rose, 10 years old, had missed 13 days, and she is in person.
Take a minute to look at the menu.
Miss Rose, are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
Court-appointed attorney.
All right, he's currently tied up with somebody else. We'll get you into the breakout room with him as soon as you can.
Okay.
We'll mute you right now.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Radke, are you connected?
Hello?
Mr. Radke,
Yes. Hello, hello?
do you have video?
I'm trying.
All right, Mr. Radke, I've got 3 files with your name on them from February 19, 2021. I've got a misdemeanor charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied, a misdemeanor charge of failed to stop or identify after a property damage accident, and a civil infraction careless driving. Each of those misdemeanors is punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs, each one up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes. Can you hear me now or?
I can hear you.
Okay,
The
good.
prosecutor has made the offer, if you plead responsible to the careless driving civil infraction. Ms. Foley Carter, is that 4 points now?
It's 3 points, Your Honor.
3 points, thank you. That would be a 3-point offense on your traffic record, Mr. Radke. But if you plead responsible to that one, the prosecutor is asking me to dismiss both the misdemeanor charges that were issued to you on February 19th. You understand the offer that's made by the prosecutor?
Yes.
All right. It looks like you've spoken to the court-appointed attorney in the past. Are you prepared to go forward without the attorney, or would you like to speak to Mr. Bowditch today?
I'd like to speak with him.
All right, you're in line. He's currently talking to somebody else in a breakout room, but we will put you in to talk to him as soon as he's available.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Kayla, we'll probably put Jeff in a quick breakout room with you so you can bring him up to speed on Rose.
Perfect.
And then we'll put him in a breakout room with his client.
All right, thank you.
Got that, Heather?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Aramo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What do we got?
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Iramo. Ms. Iramo wishes to plead guilty, take advantage of the mercy of the prosecutor, but with an explanation.
Sure. Ms. Aramo, tell me what was going on in October that your son or daughter, Trinity?
Daughter.
Yeah.
Daughter missed 7.
My
Tell me what
daughter
going
was
on that she missed so much. Go ahead.
well,
Go ahead.
my daughter has to attend 6 Zoom meetings a day. So with just being one day, that would count for, 6 absences to the one day. It's kind of weird how Zoom works, but she was actually hospitalized. I did not call the school because the school was actually closed due to a water main break, but I did provide documentation. And the other absences, I have documentation that she was excused. She gets ongoing therapy because she suffers from chronic depression. I do have a note for every time that she does go. That is an ongoing thing that happens every week. She has to go. And also, I just wanted to put out there on the ticket that I received, it said she was failing, but Trinity got a very good report card. So that wasn't true either.
All right, so the 17 absences, you're saying 6 of those were for one day?
Yeah, it goes like six classes per day. So it just like adds up really fast. And I don't know how she could have that many absences, but pass all of her classes with B's and C's.
And Your Honor, just so you know, as of September 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th were all solid day absences. So
And I can explain that too.
I only account for solid day absences, but since the ticket was issued, I do see an improvement in the students' attendance.
But I
Awesome.
can have an explanation for that. When I registered Trinity for school, I registered her for virtual and they accidentally put her in person. And so for the first week of school, they did not have Trinity down as being a virtual student and they would not let her into the class. They said that she was not on their list and she would not be able to get into the class that said waiting on host for the first week. And me and Miss Avery went back and forth and I have every email that it was their mistake, not ours.
Thank you. And how old is Trinity?
My daughter is 15 years old and she's passing every class besides math and we've since got a tutor.
She a freshman or sophomore?
A sophomore.
Okay. All right. And Mr. Bowditch, are you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
Ms. Caitlin Foley?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I will go along with the 9-month delayed sentence, Mr. Ramo. No further problems. If you're having any issues with Trinity in attendance, contact our juvenile probation officer here at the court, Christina Oswald. She's got lots of resources she can share with parents if you need some assistance. Understood?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Bowditch, we've also got a show cause scheduled, excuse me, with Miss Rose. We're going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Foley Carter so she can kind of bring you up to speed, and then we'll let you talk to your client.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
If you can please, yeah. go
Now
ahead
I can do it, Heather.
Good, thank you.
Mr. Bowditch, are you ready to speak to Ms. Rose now?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Heather, got it?
Yes, I do. Jeff, if you want to just push the button again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yep.
Bowditch, are we ready on Rose?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where we at?
Well, Your Honor, today's the date and time, as the court is aware, for a show cause. Miss Rose had been before you in the summer and was given the 771 designation. And unfortunately, the Rose family has had some tragedy. Summer's father was badly injured by a drunk driver. And Miss Rose can fill in more about that. I've spoken with Miss Carter. Miss Carter and I both believe that Miss Rose is a good candidate to continue with the 771. And Miss Rose would also like to reach out with Christina if she could, because she has trouble sometimes communicating with the school. And I explained to her that Miss Oswald is a very good reference and a long time reference. And she wishes that assistance.
Miss Rose, grab something to write with. I'll give you a phone number. Correct, Miss Foley Carter?
That's correct, Your Honor. I don't think a conviction would get those kids to school. I think that maybe she needs more resources.
Very generous, thank you. Miss Rose, did you get something?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm at work. I had to walk around.
Where are you working at?
Applebee's.
How long you been there?
Almost 3 years.
Good deal. All right, you ready?
Yes, I am.
734-941 4463.
4463.
Extension 260.
260.
Christine Oswald.
Okay.
Just tell her.
Thank
Tell
you.
her that you're a summit parent and you're on our parental responsibility delayed sentence, and you need some help with resources.
Okay.
All right. So we'll continue with the delayed sentence under 771.1.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, Miss Rose.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Miss
Welcome.
Rose.
Mr. Bowditch. Mr. Bowditch, we're going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Radke.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He has 2 misdemeanor charges, drove while license suspended and failed to stop property damage accident, and a careless driving civil infraction, all from February 19. The offer from the prosecutor is plead responsible to the civil infraction. Both misdemeanors will be dismissed, and we'll stick you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Yep, just head back in there, Jeff. Thank you.
Thank you.
Heather, I just realized I was calling Christina earlier, wasn't I? Wonder where that came from.
No, Bowditch says it all the time. He calls her Christina. So that might have been where you got it.
Hey, Phil, you don't have any phone numbers for Malu, Herod, or Katran, do you?
Yeah, I do. Do you want me to call them?
Sure. Tell them they've got about 3 minutes to avoid a show cause bench warrant.
So Malu, Heron, and Cantron. Did you by any chance do Miss Hall and I missed it?
Yes, she was on early and we took care of her.
Did she do the 9 months also?
Sorry?
Did she do the 9 months also?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let me call the other 3. I'll call them and tell them.
Thank you.
So obviously they got an email with the Zoom and all that garbage.
Well, we sent them.
I mail it out in the mail.
No, I know, but I mean, if they say, how do I get on? I can't say, just go to your email. But
it's on the notice that they were mailed.
All right, Judge, I got a hold of Miss Harad. She's forgot. She's supposedly going to be doing it right now. And Malou, it rang like 20 times, no voicemail, and I'm working on the third.
Thank you. Mr. Bowditch, your appearance for Mr. Radke, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch, appearing on behalf of with Mr. Radke. Your Honor, this was set for a final pretrial, I believe, to see if Mr. Radke still wished to continue a not guilty plea and still wish to continue his request for a jury trial. He still wishes the jury trial, Your Honor.
Okay. And you've discussed the plea with him.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Radke, that true?
Yes, sir.
January 11,
Yes, sir.
9 a.m.
January 11th, 9 a.m.
Bond is continued.
And Mr. Radke, that is always in person. You know that.
Mr. Radke, you understand that's in person, that's a live trial? He muted himself for
I'll be
some reason.
communicating with him, Your Honor. He'll understand.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Who
All
was this? Or did I miss something?
Mr. Radke, oh no, that's,
Oh, that's something else. Never mind. Can
Yep,
I talk to
yep,
Heather?
not parental responsibility. What's that?
Can I talk to Heather, or can I just talk now?
Either way, or I can put us in a breakout room, Phil.
Whatever you want me to do. If nobody's doing nothing now, I can fill you in.
Hold on, Mr. Radke, if you're all set, you realize that the jury trial is live on January 11th. You're all set to go.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. All right, Phil.
Okay, so Heather, can you do me a favor? I just got a hold of Alberta Catron.
Uh-huh.
She never updated her power school information or her driver's license. Unless you can check, does she show 3574 Niagara Street in Wayne, Michigan?
Let me,
No, she's still on Stellwagen for us.
Okay, so we need to remail her a new one to her new address because I called. She supposedly worked all day and night.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Oh, Miss Cantron?
No, this is Miss Herrick.
Okay, so Miss Harrod's here. That's good, but this is for Miss Cantron. So Heather, you want to take me to a breakout room?
I do show, Phil, that we have 34434 Stellwagen Street in Wayne.
All right,
And
that's wrong.
that's wrong.
Yeah, she never updated power school, so I got to give you the new address, and then I would say just adjourn it to the next court date.
Is that 3574 Niagara? That's on your ticket.
Oh, it is on the ticket?
There's in the remarks section, it says that you mailed the ticket to that address.
Oh, okay, so I probably mailed her 2 tickets. So therefore,
Sounds like
I
it.
told her, yeah, I told her to contact the court. I didn't know I mailed 2 tickets because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
All right, so you want us to replace the Stellwagen address on the file with the Niagara?
Correct. Because what happens, Your Honor, is people don't update their power school sometimes. So if I get a
Sure.
driver's license with a different address, I mail 2 tickets. I mean, it's the same ticket, but I mail it to 2 addresses.
So we're gonna adjourn this till the 10th of January
That's fine.
with a new notice to that address.
Yeah, and then if she doesn't show up, well, then obviously she lied to
Got
me.
it. Okay. I made a note in the file.
All right, thanks.
Yep. All right, you are Miss Harrod?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Harrod, I've got a file with your name on it from October 27, 21. The charge is violation of parental responsibility. This is a misdemeanor. It carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer on the file. If you plead guilty to this charge, it would be taken under a delayed sentence for 9 months. If during that 9 months, we don't have any further problems, you don't have any criminal convictions, and is your son's name Toriano?
It is.
All right, and there are no further unexcused absences problems with Toriano, then at the end of 9 months, this would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. You understand the offer that's made by the prosecution?
Technically, sir, I don't. I'm not understanding the whole notice to appear. Toriano was, I had spoken with the school to let him know 2 weeks after school started. Toriano was enrolled at Romulus High School. Tori has been in school
ever since. He has not missed a day of school, maybe 2 at Romulus High due to illness. Other than that, my son goes to school.
And Your Honor, with what I'm looking at here, it shows that he, from those 2 weeks, that he no longer attended our school. I just don't know if there was a communication error with the school telling they dropped him or didn't drop him, or if it had something to do with attendance count. But it does show here that they never officially dropped, but it does make sense to the first 2 weeks of what Mom just said.
So Mom, your son's been in Romulus school since basically middle September-ish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Foley, Carter, how would you like to handle this one?
You move for dismissal then, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to dismiss this file. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a nice day.
Thank you. You guys do the same.
Thank you. And have not seen Miss Malou.
Yeah, I called her number and it rang and rang and rang and rang like at least 20 times, and it won't go to voicemail or anything. And the last couple times I had contact with her, she actually answered the phone.
Got it. We'll issue a bench warrant. All right, I think that's
All
it.
right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, everybody.
Have a great day, Caitlin.
Thank you, Caitlin. Thank you, Judge.
See you guys. Thanks, Heather.
Yep, you're welcome. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, Heather.
You too.